Imagine flipping houses with zero out-of-pocket costs. What if I told you that real estate grants, yes, free money, could help fund your next property flip? Most people think real estate investing requires huge capital or high-interest loans, but in this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and use real estate business grants to buy, renovate, and flip properties. And at the end, I'll introduce you to a powerful platform that makes finding and applying for these grants easier than ever. So stick with me. First, let's break it down. What exactly are real estate grants? Unlike loans, grants are free money given by government agencies, nonprofits, and private organizations to help revitalize communities by funding property flips, encourage affordable housing projects, support minority and women-owned real estate businesses, and create jobs in the housing and construction industry. The best part? You don't have to pay grants back, as long as you use them for their intended purpose. Now, let's talk about the top grants real estate investors can apply for. SHUD and CDBG grants. The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development offers grants through Community Development Block Grants to revitalize neighborhoods. USDA Rural Development Grants. If you're flipping homes in rural areas, you could qualify for funding and tax incentives. Historic preservation grants, restoring historic properties. There's free money available for renovations. Minority and women-owned business grants. If you're part of an underserved community, you could qualify for grants to scale your real estate business. State and local housing grants. Many states have special programs that fund rehabilitation projects and housing initiatives. But here's the challenge. Finding and applying for these grants takes time and expertise. That's why I have something even better for you. Winning a grant isn't just about applying, it's about applying the right way. First, have a solid business plan. Show how you use the money and why your project makes an impact. Next, meet eligibility requirements. Some grants are location-based, while others focus on first-time investors or specific demographics. And avoid common mistakes. Incomplete applications, missing documents, and vague project plans will get you disqualified. This is where grantfunds.com changes the game. Instead of spending hours searching for the right grant, let grantfunds.com do the work for you. With AI-powered grant matching, you can find real estate grants that fit your business in minutes. Expert proposal, writing services, increase your approval chances with professionally written applications. Deadline tracking and alerts help you stay ahead of every funding opportunity. Plus, one-on-one support provides expert advice on how to secure funding for your next flip. With grantfunds.com, you're not just applying, you're winning the funding you need to grow. If you're serious about using free money to fund your real estate business, here's what you need to do next. Go to grantfunds.com and find real estate grants you qualify for. Work with grant experts to create a winning application. Follow Grant Funds on all social media platforms for daily funding opportunities. And subscribe to this channel for more ways to scale your business with free money. Flipping houses just got a whole lot easier thanks to real estate grants and grantfunds.com.